how do you visualize the workplace in the future? How do you think that the workplace is going to be in the coming days?
Okay. So if you look at the workplace, this COVID-19 pandemic, it's estimated about 2.7 billion people, or 4 out of 5 workers in the global workforce, have been affected by lockdown and work from home measures. So when I look at the future, when we look at the future, we need to look at it from 3 different compartments. One would be the work per se, the second would be the workforce, and the third would be the workplace. Coming to the work, in a digital world to which we are moving, machines and humans will be forced to do or fused to do what they can do best. This could be independently, but complementing each other. The strengths of the machine and the strengths of the human beings behind the machine will have to be complementary. Corporates will explore ways to digitalize some or all works. This could be through advances in technologies like robotics, IoT, cloud. This automation will ensure that we drive efficiency. When this is done, human beings are left to focus on innovation, creativity, and intervene to solve problems. These things machines cannot do. So what machines can do well, let the machines do. What human beings can do, let the human beings do. Now when we come to the workforce, organizations of the future will identify, attract, and engage people with the right skill sets and work experience to crack their goals. An organization will have a mix of local workers, and they will engage collaborators and other stakeholders from anywhere in the world. It will not be restricted to the local area. The world is a canvas, and the best people can be brought from there. So there'll be lots and lots of freelancers who will be available for a price. The companies will be happy to have them on board because the cost reduces, and it will be just on a contract basis wherein one project they will handle and then they will move on. And the third aspect that I talked about was the workplace. The future workplace could be a combination and will be a combination of the physical and virtual workplace. The work from home that we have been forced to adopt would have naturally happened, say 5 or 7 years down the line. But the pandemic has fast forwarded into the present. So we will need to fast forward our solutions too. In places where the lockdown is being eased, most of the people have voiced their preferences to work from non-office locations, and this is coming from the Western countries. One glimpse of the change world will become a new normal can be seen by the decision taken by one of our own marquee companies, TCS. They have come up stating 75% of their workforce will permanently work from home even after the lockdown opens. They plan to change their operating models, and experts feel more IT sector companies will adapt and follow TCS. Similar changes we will see in other sectors too. The future I envisage is to be a blend of physical and virtual with a tilt towards the virtual one. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I really admire the examples that you have and the research that you have done. And yes, not only TCS, there are so many more companies, even the small entrepreneurs who are actually planning to save cost on, whatever their offices and stuff, and have people work remotely, because that's really working now as much as we didn't know about it.